Hi folks, I'm just out having a walk. Nice and sunny out. I think it's around 6 o'clock now. It's 5:58. Look at the pretty sun. Pretty blue sky, just love it. I thought I'd come out and have a walk. Yeah. Trying to get more steps in. Got my sunglasses from Temu. I love them. They're sparkly. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah. They're a little sparkly around the edges. Yeah. Oh, I like hearing the birds. All the way up that hill is my church. All the way up there, guys. Yeah. I put my hair in a ponytail today. It's windy out, so it's nice. It cools you off. Yeah, we're supposed to have sun and cloud the next few days. Oh, it feels good. I was warm in my apartment. I forgot to open my windows today, guys. I get so busy doing things. Oh my gosh. Yeah. The pretty sun. Pretty sunshine. After a whole day we had yesterday, in the rain. Yeah. I got my white Crocs on. Oh, there I turn this. I turn this. And now I'm on another street. I like the sidewalk house. There's no bumps on there. There's no bumps in them at all. My friend, right? Oh my goodness. Well, we're acquaintances. And I talk to her all the time at her work. Oh my God, guys, her house caught on fire in the middle of the night. Oh, I don't need my glasses on now. In the middle of the night, her fire alarm went off. I know she lives around here. I know she lives around... Oh, I wonder if that's... No, that's not boarded up. Was that it there, the white one? Oh my gosh, and she also found out that her daughter has aneurysm. Yeah, oh, I think it's that house over there that caught on fire. That's where she lived. But they gotta put all new wiring and redo it all. Oh, sun's coming out again. Hear the doggy barking. Oh, this feels good. I'm going to start walking more every day. Because I get to this habit, walking one day and don't walk till a few more days. So, oh my gosh. Look at the sky over yonder, over there. How dark it is. I don't know if we're going to have rain or not.
On your right.
On my right?
On your right.
On the right. Thanks you.
Have a good day.
You too. Yeah. Well, I thought I'd do a little walk video for you all. I'll have a great evening, and I'll chat soon.